morning children. Today we are going to learn grammar. The first topic in your English language is sentence. So what is a sentence? A group of words which make complete sense and expresses our thoughts is a sentence. What do you mean by complete sense and expresses our thought? It means which we fully understand, which has meaning, which is meaningful. Children, always remember, when we speak, read or write, we always make a sense. It should make a complete sense. While writing a sentence, we begin it with a capital letter and end with a full stop. So the 3 points which you need to remember in sentence are: a sentence always makes a complete sense, a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Let's see some example of sentence. Here are the 3 examples which I have written on the blackboard. The first one says, Ben has a pet dog. These group of words make complete sense. It begins with a capital letter B and ends with a full stop. So this is a sentence. Second one says, Pooja is good at drawing. The second sentence begins with a capital letter P and ends with the full stops. And these group of words makes a complete sense. So it is a sentence. Now see the third one. Sam in lives. This is an incomplete sentence because it does not begin with a capital letter and nor does it end with a full stop, and it does not even make any sense. So it is not a sentence. Let's revise what we have learned by solving an exercise. So let's take the one that are sentences and cross out those that are not. So the first sentence here is, there are many books in the library. This sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop and makes a complete sense. So it is a sentence. Now see the another one. Raj is my best friend. This sentence makes a complete sense. It begins with a capital letter R and ends with a full stop. So it is a sentence. Now see the third one is sharp. This is an incomplete sentence. It does not begin with the capital letter nor does it end with a full stop. So it is not a sentence. So we will put a cross here. Now see number 4. They have a red car. In this sentence, in this group of words makes a complete sense. It begins with a capital letter T and ends with a full stop. So it is a sentence. We'll put a tick mark here. Now see number 5. She singer. This is not a sentence because this is an incomplete sentence. It does not begin with a capital letter nor does it end with a full stop. So what we will do? We will put a cross here. Let's see the last one. My room is clean. These group of words makes a complete sense. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So it is a sentence. I hope children you are clear with what is sentence, and if the question have been given to you, you will be able to solve whether the sentence is correct or wrong. Let's learn about types of sentences. There are mainly 2 types of sentences. One is statements, another one is questions. What is statement? When our statements tell us something it is called a statement. A statement always ends with a full stop. For example, Pooja goes to the beach every Sunday. The boy is reading a book. Both the sentences end with a full stop. Both of them are merely stating some facts. Therefore, these are statements. What is question? When a sentence asks something, it is called a question. A question always ends with a question mark. For example, which school do you go to? Are we going to the market today? You see, at the end, question marks are there in both the sentences. Both the sentences ends with a question mark. Both of them ask a question. So, these are questions. Children, that the types of sentences are clear to you, that there are mainly two types of sentences. One is statements and the another one is questions. Now, let's revise what we have done or what we have learnt by solving an exercise. Let's punctuate the given sentences. If it's a statement, it will end with a full stop, and if it is a question, it will end with a question mark. So let's begin. First one says, the food is very tasty. So, is it asking a question? No, it is telling something. It means it's the statement. So, we will put a full stop at the end. Second one, where are you going? Here we are asking a question. So, this is a question. So, at the end, we will put the question mark. Third one, is it raining outside? Here also we are asking question. Is it raining outside? So, it is a question. We are asking a question. So, we will put a question mark here. Fourth one, the school bus has arrived. Here we are telling something. So, we will put, it's a statement sentences. So, we will put full stop at the end. Fifth one, how much does this toy cost? Here we are asking the question that how much does this toy cost? So it's a question. We will put a question mark at the end. The teacher is in the classroom. Here we are telling. So it's a statement. We will put a full stop at the end. Can I keep this pen here? Here we are asking the permission. We are taking the permission. We are asking something. So, we will put a question mark here. Why are you crying? Here also we are asking something. That why are you crying? So, it's a question. We will put a question mark at the end. Ninth one, my name is Ram. It's a simple sentence. So, here it's a statement. So, we are going to put full stop here. The last one, they are my friends. In this sentence, we are not asking any question. It's just that we are telling that they are my friends. So, here at the end, we will put the full stop. Now, I hope you are clear with the difference between statements and the questions. I hope, children, that you have understood it very well. So, please revise the chapter properly and do the given exercise in your textbook.